Hey everybody, so today we're going to be doing BoxyCharm. I already opened it because I'm an impatient child and got it yesterday and wasn't able to film. We are not going to be able to try out 3 of the products on my face today, mainly because I got a sty in my eye again and I'm not putting anything near my eyes. We went to the Pokemon Go Community Day on Saturday, and I used some sunscreen and it got in my eye, and then my eye was watering like crazy, and then a couple hours later I had a sty. So, my fault, my bad. Wasn't makeup related this time. So at least there's that. So the first thing I saw when I opened these were these very big lashes. So this is the House of Lashes Temptress. These are big and fluffy and probably going to be taking over my entire face when I put them on. But we'll put them on once my eye recovers. So in a couple days when my eye recovers, I'll film a video of trying out the few things I can't use right now, and then we will have that edited and uploaded before the end of the month. So you guys can see it, but this will be a try later thing. The Temptress lashes, I can't remember what they cost. Unfortunately, the card this time, the full Diati card, has a price range and an actual price. I think these are in the higher range because they're like more like, I was gonna say product, but I guess it's just like more material. So I think those are like the $12 range. I will do the thing with the letters up here in the corner. I also kind of like how the card looks this month. I think it looks more classy. More classy. So, if they're going to keep full Diati cards like this, I'm okay with that. So, the next thing I pulled out was the Bang Beauty. And I know this is a cream gel liner. Let's see, what does it say about the cream gel liner? The chocolate eyeliner. It is very much a chocolate brown color. Uses an eyeliner, an eyeshadow base, or even add a touch to your brows. I can't do that. My hair is not the right color for that. Not just the pink, but naturally that would be a little bit more extreme. Chocolate toned pomade is the ultimate triple threat. Ooh, that's very, very reflective. My apologies. So when I actually opened this, it was loose. The cap was loose, and I was like, that's not a good sign. But the product seems fine. We will be checking this out as an eyeliner. It's very much a chocolate color. We'll be checking this out as an eyeliner once my eye recovers. This is a $22 product, and you get 3.5 grams of product. So we will try this out once my eye feels better, because I can't use that as a pomade. That's just way too dark. So my hair, the stuff that grows out of my head, is a very, very ashy blonde. So like a warm brown, like this chocolate liner, would look pretty weird. Just a smidge. Now the next thing I got was the Eyebate Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment. I've already tried this out. So I was actually complaining 2 days ago about needing my cuticle oil on my nightstand again, because I've been carrying cuticle oil with me to work, but since I used up my California mango cuticle oil in my project pan, I hadn't had one on my nightstand, and then I got this. So I used this I was gonna say last night. I used this morning when I got home from work, and it was very nice. The Eyebate polishes and the products I haven't been disappointed with yet. The only thing I can say is the red polish that I'm working on in my 18 and 2018, what is it called? Suzanami, I think. It's a stainer. That's like the only negative to these is they stain. This is the Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles after a night out. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. And my nails have been very dry, that's why I'm not wearing polish right now. Took my last batch of polish off and I was like, the Sahara Desert has moved into my nail range. So I've been hydrating it and be back on the nail polish train probably later this week. Three more things. So this is the Smashbox Be Legendary triple toned lipstick. This is actually Sunset Ombre, which I think is the exact shade Kat and Haley destroyed on Beauty News. Like, the exact shade. It's 3 colors. Can you see all 3 of them? I can see all 3 of them. Like, I think when you like go over it and like blend it in with your, yeah, when you just like blend it all together, it's a reddish pinky, like warm toned, like maybe a coral. I'd call that a coral. That's gonna be pretty. Yeah, if I remember correctly, they destroyed this on one of their makeup breakups. If I can find that video, I'll link it too, because watching people destroy things is amusing to me. I think it's amusing to all of us in some capacity. Clean my finger off so I'm not covered in lipstick. I should also swatch the brow pomade eyeliner base thing. Let's do that too while I'm at it. So even though it was open, it's still like creamy, not bad. It's a little bit of a drier formula. I'm not sure how this is gonna work as an eyeliner. That's it sheared out. We'll see though. We'll see. I have no judgments yet. I can't judge it. I haven't tried it really. Swatching is not trying. Now this I was super excited about, and I can't put it on my face because my eye. I actually had full conversations with Ryan about how I kind of wanted this, but I don't know what Laura Lee's formula is like, so I didn't want to commit. Apparently I didn't have to commit because BoxyCharm knew what I wanted and they sent it to me. This glittery pink, bottoms up, like on camera you can't even see it. It has so much glitter in it. I want that like all over my face. So that's that. We're gonna swatch these out for y'all too. Just cause why not? Can't even see that on the camera, but it's so pretty. It's that green. Is a party. Oh. That one was damage control. This one is karaoke. I dropped my little like wipey card. Be back in a second. My lap is only so big. And now I just dropped the regular card. Look at me doing stuff. So I'm just trying to wipe those off. Like, karaoke's a little bit of a stainer. But it's okay. I'm gonna grab the card while I'm at it. Here we go. Like it never happened. Pretend for me. Now this orange is called Drinks. Drinks. That is an orange. A very good orange. And then bottoms up. So the glitter is also pink from what I can tell, but I think there's a little bit of blue in there. last one. Hungover, which is purple. So this is the only one that feels a little bit like chunky on the put down. There's a blue undertone, not blue, a pink undertone to that purple. But that purple is gorgeous. Ooh. I'm mad that my eye is acting up. I'm gonna put those on my face. It also has a mirror, which is really good. I made the joke about now I have a Brights travel palette, because these are really, really small. Like, for reference, I wear like a size small, like, medical glove. Like, tiny hands. Tiny. So those are pretty little. Oh, that purple though. I'm gonna put those on my face later, I swear. Just not today. Probably not tomorrow. I've got a couple more days of my eye acting up, maybe. It's already a lot better than it was. But you guys can't even really tell on camera which eye it is. Unless you're looking really hard, which people do that. And then the last thing we have, oh, did I even say? So the Laura Lee palette was $19, which for 3 shadows, and these shadows are 6 pans at 1.3 grams a piece. That doesn't sound that bad. I can do like price per gram breakout if you would like. And the last thing is these Wonder Beauty eye gels, which I also can't use because my eye. It's funny how like more than half this box I can't use right away because my eye. But we have 3 packets of these. I like eye gels, they're nice. So these are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks from Wander. After a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil eye masks brighten, hydrate, reduce the appearance of dark circles. The hyaluronic acid diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, while aloe leaf extract and lavender oil cools and soothes your under eye area. That sounds good. These are listed at $13. I'm not sure if that's $13 for 3 or $13 a piece. I will clarify again. But let's see, math time. So approximate value, I think that's 108. It'll be up there. I do my math like correctly when I have a calculator, but that's not a bad value. And like I said, everything in this box I'm going to use with the exception of probably this. This I'm going to wear on a video, and then they're going to go in my box, and they might come back out for Halloween, because I have very big eyes. It's a genetic trait I have passed on to my beautiful children, and they are very inept at the puppy dog eyes, but I normally don't wear lashes because they're just kind of hard to put on. We'll see. This might come back in October after I try it out the first time. I do think that lipstick I'm going to get a lot of use out of. We will see when it comes to this as a liner. And these colors, they speak to me. They speak to me so good. So we'll have fun with that. So I'm going to hold off on using these because the only thing I can really put on for you guys today is the lipstick. So I figure we'll just move all of this to a secondary like try-on video. Maybe at the end of the week if I'm feeling better with the eye situation. If not, then it will be posted by the end of the month. And we'll have fun there. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna wash my arm off. I'm gonna finish getting ready for work, drink the coffee, and I'll see y'all next time. Hope you have a good day. Bye.